Okay, so for problem 17, straightforward lang yung solution ko dito, no? We are asked to compute for the collection in November. So, ang pattern ng collection is 60% in the month of sale and 40% next month. So, that means your collection in November will come from sales of November and sales of October, which the problem gave as follows: 300,000 of sales for for October and 320,000 for November. So how much of those will be collected in November? So for October, or um I mean collection in November from October sales is 40%. So of the October sales, 120,000 will be collected in November. From November sales, 60% will be collected in November. So that's 192,000. You can combine the two amounts, 120 and 192. So total collection for November is 312,000.